Hello mga langga, it's another day, it's another cooking time in my life. Welcome to my channel, and this is Yaln Escapades na nagsasabing let's cook watercress and pork ribs for dinner. So if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Welcome back to my channel again, and I will show you the ingredients for our soup for tonight. 750 grams of pork ribs, 2 salted dried chicken gizzard, 2 scoop sliced almond, and 1 bunch of watercress, 2 dried dates, 500 grams of chesnut or 250 grams. It's up to you. So the steps are follows. In a cooking pot, we need to boil water. We start to put our meat, and this is the process what we call is blanching. We do blanching for at least 1 minute to 2 minutes. And this process is to take out some unwanted blood remain on our meat, and as well as the fat in it. So just follow the steps. It's like we are arranging the meat while boiling, just to make sure everything is removed. In our big cooking pot, we put our 3/4 of water and bring it to boil. Cover the lid. And the next steps is to check our blanching. I-check natin siya. Ang purpose nito is on pag nasa cooking na tayo, hindi siya malangsa at maalis-alis ang mga remaining o natitirang dugo sa loob ng ating karne. Para ko na po siyang inhunuhugas-hugasan while nakaano pa siya sa loob ng cooking pot. Next, I'll show you, this is the part of our ingredients: watercress, Chinese watercress. Actually, this kind of cooking is Chinese watercress and pork rib soup. Lalo na pa sa winter ngayon, so this is good. Isin na natin ang ating meat. Remove the excess fat of our meat. Kaya parang sinasawsaw natin siya. And the next is I clean up the cooking pot, and I put the chesnut, bring to boil for about 1 minute to 2 minutes. And this process is to make my cooking style easily. So it's time for me to pour our meat and the boiling cooking pot, the boiling water, and ilagay natin ang the rest of our ingredients, ating almond, ang ating gizzard, at ang ating dates, or tinatawag niya siyang white dates, at ang ating watercress. Half po ang ating ilagay, because this part is the 1 hour boiling in high temperature. natin siyang ipasok lahat sa loob ng ating cooking pot. Konting pasensya in this kind of cooking style because it takes 2.5 and 3.5 hours of cooking. So patient is virtue for this kind of soup. So as you can see, mayroon natira pa akong watercress. Next is ang ating chesnut. Check it out time to time after over the lid, and as you have noticed, I have chopstick in order to avoid spoiling the water. And our chesnut is ready for 2 minutes, so let's peel it. Let's peel. After an hour and a half, it's ready for us to pour our remaining ingredients. Half of our chesnut and the next half of the remain of our watercress, and boil for a little bit in high temperature and in a few minutes, and then put in medium after 10 minutes until we finally cook. Keep simmering and keep checking in order bago wala bang na ano sa ano. As you can see, I put the last part of our remaining chesnut. It's almost done. After 30 minutes, we're ready to serve. Yummy guys, yummy and soup, and the simple way, no need for you to just season salt and pepper if you wish, but salt in sugar. So it's already done, but no need for me it's no need for this to put anything because it's already balanced with dates and the salty gizzard. So as you can see, konti na lang yung water na natira. 1/4 is the result. At wala na ang 1/3. And tara, this is the product of what is the long hours of cooking. It's our soup. Welcome to Chinese Watercress and pork rib soup. Look, yummy, yummy, yummy. Hope you like it, and let's start to dig in. And let's drink our center. Ayan, soup. Maraming salamat if you hope you like this, and please just check out the description below and ano po yung benefits ng soup na ito. Hope na magkaragdag po sa inyo ng konting information that the whole family will love to drink and eat. And thank you so much for watching, and hope you like it next time for the remaining time sa ating cooking. See you next time. It's time for us to eat, and Merry Christmas and Happy New Year for everyone. God bless you. We can drink our soup now. Soup now. Drink now. Soup now. Drink now. Soup. 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 Nahigop mo kasi kaya ganun. Thank you for